What's going on, guys? It's Joe here. Today is April 30th, 2019. I'm doing a trade recap on General Electric GE. So today they posted their earnings. It was kind of a mixed bag. You can see here we had 14-cent beats and 9-cent estimate. Sales beat. Another headline, GE power challenges continue, but revenue falls far less than expected. So this was something I was definitely looking at for a short. And another huge factor in me taking this short was the fact that all these people, above, they've been bag holding this thing as it's been getting crushed, and any single pop, they're gonna want to sell and get out of this thing, um, because this thing is, for this year, it's been complete shit. And I wanted to get short on this thing near 1050. I noticed pre-market the level, a couple of wicks of this 1053, 1056 mark, and I want to get short somewhere close to there. And I ended up taking a starter. I was kind of late on this entry, but I took a 1040 starter with only 250 shares. The reason I only had 250 shares is because I have like 3 or 4 other positions open that I was trying to manage, but I still wanted to trade this. And I ended up, riding this thing down, and I noticed I wanted to add more because I was up, and I knew that this thing had a chance of hitting 10. And I saw the volume increase here around 840, and I knew that this thing was definitely going lower, and it did. And I ended up covering some near 1003, 1004, and it was a small trade for me, but it was pretty stress-free. There was this super heavy tape, just complete selling into this whole move. And one thing I wish I had more shares on this, because this was a pretty straightforward trade for me. And yeah, that's gonna do it for GE today. Alright, thanks guys.